Hey there, welcome to Book's World. In order to stay abreast of all new content I post, go back and hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the little bell icon to be notified of all new content as I post it. Hello and welcome to another episode of Book's World. DIYs, a do-it-yourself quick tutorial. This is going to address a common issue that most have with their snowblowers. What happens is you have cotter pins or shear pins which hold the blade to the actual turning mechanism. All right, and what happens is whenever your blades get caught on something, it'll shear that pin away to help keep the motor intact without damaging the motor. You'd rather lose that pin than lose this motor. All right, so now the quick fix to it is to get yourself a shear pin. All right, here's a shear pin. This is what a shear pin looks like. All right, and there's two pieces. You see the hole, that's one piece. And this is the actual cotter pin or the safety pin that goes through the hole. All right, to lock it in place. So what you'll do is line up your hole. I don't know if you can see it. I don't have light, but you can spin it until the pin actually drops in. There we go. It dropped in. Now, by chance, as we have it, my extra pins are too short. So now what I would have to do is go into my bag of goodies. Always keep nuts, bolts, screws, extra around. What I did was I found a bolt and a nut set that actually fits. Now, I only do this for emergency situations such as this one here. I have to get out of this driveway and I have to shovel in order to go buy the proper shear pin. So you can actually use a nut and a bolt. All right. If you don't have the actual nut that goes on the bolt, you can take this and bend it just so it doesn't come out. You know, give it a slight bend, something that won't lock it in, but it'll hold it in place. If that's not it, I also found a screw that actually fits in the circumference, and this one might hold a little better because I can actually screw it in. I can screw it in and it won't come out. All right, so I can screw it in to lock it, and that'll hold it in place just enough for me to handle what I have to handle. Get this driveway done. All right, check that out. All right, and then in the worst case scenario, if you don't have any of these three items, all right, get yourself some black wraps, tie straps, tie downs, whatever you choose to call them, plastic straps. All right, you take them, you put them back to back. All right, and stick them in the hole, pull them through. As you can see, I've already done. All right, this might be the best situation for a temporary use because the black straps are not hard enough to break this mechanism if the blade gets caught. All right, this will snap right off, saving your motor, which will be a great thing. But two of them together, one going forward, one going back, should hold that in place to engage the blade and get the job done. And be rest assured that, again, if worst case scenario, your blade gets caught, these will shear right off, saving yourself a lot of money. All right, but my suggestion is use it enough to get out, get to where you have to go, buy yourself the proper shear pin. All right, and replace your item. Hopefully this video has helped you. Share, comment, like, and subscribe. In order to stay abreast of all new content I post, go back and hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the little bell icon to be notified of all new content as I post it.